Hello, my kiddios and chickadees. Just wanted to give you one final announcement for the year. So, technically, this upcoming Friday, the 15th, would be the end of our academic school year, and then the following week would be for finals. So, how we're going to work this is that I will not give you new assignments past this Friday, and you have up until Thursday, the 21st. To get everything to me. I have to have grades in on Friday the 22nd, and those will be the finalized grades. I cannot take anything past that day, so I need to have it by Thursday the 21st. Thursday the 21st, if you want me to grade it. Thursday the 21st. The second thing that you need to know is that I'll put a link below this video for summer school. Some of you are in a bad shape and you never got around to fixing your grades. So summer school is an application process. If you don't apply for it, they won't just stick you in it, and they'll stick you in 10th grade English again next year. So if you want to try to avoid that eventuality, fill out the application for summer school, get it turned in. If you have any questions, email your guidance counselor. I love you guys. It was a pleasure to have you. I'm sorry that it was so crazy this last month and a half, but I'm glad we were able to make it through. Have a great summer. Get your work in by the 21st. Otherwise, it won't get graded. Bye.